This is Watt's Lock and Key, and in this video, we're going to be repairing a small scratch on this Tesla Model 3. This applies to all Teslas as well. Let's go. So Pedro, would you be able to show our audience where all the tools will be found that we'll be speaking about in this video?
Todas las herramientas en este video y los videos en el futuro estarán en la descripción por abajo.
Thank you, Pedro de San Pedro de Macorís. So, in regards to the solution that we have to wash the car, we're going to be using this guy here. Yes, the no rinse, wash and shine. It's going to need just 1 gallon of water. That would just require half a cap of your solution. Mix the two together, and then you're going to put in your microfiber towel. So you can place 2 of those in there. It is preferred that you use hot water. The goal is to fold the cloth into 4s, and you're going to be wiping down the car. You're going to go in a straight line, up and down. See if you can see it. It's right here. And the other one, I just noticed, is right here. Yep, I found you. So now we have our items we're going to be using to get our scratch off of our car. This device. So the scratch is basically non-existent. I cannot see any scratches anymore. There is one here. So we never started these yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same with this scratch here. Wow, amazing. So we're going to apply one more of our secret items, and this is going to really seal the deal. You're going to see how well this shines. This is amazing. I cannot believe how fast this took. This took me less than 5 minutes. And it'll take the same amount of time for you with your scratches that you have. After we finish this, we're going to put this in the light, so don't forget to check out the end of this video. If you just want to jump there to the end of this video, that's fine. But just check out the results of this product. And once again, Pedro, if you want to let them know where the link is at.
Todas las herramientas en este video y los videos en el futuro estarán en la descripción por abajo.
Thank you, Pedro de San Pedro de Macorís. And if you want to subscribe to this video, we're going to have more hacks for you to be able to apply to your vehicle, your Tesla, or any other car that you have. This will do you wonders. So now we're going into our next product, which is going to actually shine up even more. Look how amazing that comes out. So as you notice, that scratch is actually gone. So the next one that we have to do is this one here. Yep, I found you.
So the same as the other area, we're going to make sure that we apply our scratch repair and renew wax to this area as well. And we're just going to use a little bit of this solution.
This is where the scratch used to be. And shines like a pearl. So we're going to be applying our second application of our other chemical. Scratch, no more. So we hope you were able to gather some information that you can use on your Tesla or any other car. And we'll be seeing you in the next video. Let's continue this conversation. We'll be showing you some other tricks in regards to cleaning other sections, especially the plastic on your vehicles, so that they don't just stay dull, but continue to shine. Let's go.